The Monarchs have a very busy schedule coming up. So after this May 3rd show, which you did attend, we have a show at Club 906 on May 24th. Then, after that, we have a show at Black and Gold Tavern in Kansas City, May 25th, which is Saturday night. Then, Wednesday, May 29th, we're opening up for Afrolicious at the Bottleneck in Lawrence, Kansas. Then, June 1st, we have a show with The Slowdown at the Czar Bar. And finally, June 7th, we have a show with After Nations at Davies Uptown.